Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Also like this video, it helps YouTube know that I am giving you guys great content. So this year I started this swimsuit collection that I'm showing you guys how to make different types of swimwears. So I've shown you this bikini top with ties already, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys this bikini bottoms with side ties. So guys, you're going to learn a lot from this video. It's going to be amazing, beginner friendly, and it's going to be well detailed. So let's just get started with this one. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is draw this line to serve as my starting line. Then I'm now going to measure from my waist to my crotch. Guys, measure it correctly. Measure your waist to crotch depth and then add 0.5 inch to that measurement. So I'm going to measure it right here. And then on that line that I drew, that will be my waistline. I'm going to measure my waist circumference divided by 4. So mark it right there. Once that is marked, from that point, you're going to go down by 1.5 inches. And then I'm just going to rule a line to represent it. Now guys, on the crotch measurement, you're now going to go outwards by 1.5 inches or even less. Now, if you're bigger, you can go out by 2 inches. But I noticed that when I use 2 inches, it's always too wide at the crotch side. Now guys, you're going to take your curved ruler and you're going to use it to create a curve. So it will serve as that curve we have in our panties. So depending on how deep you want it is how you're going to draw it. So it's your preference basically. This is what I've drawn right here and this is what mine looks like. Now this is the front. I'm going to write my details on it. And then I'm going to use it to cut out the back as well. So I'm just going to place it on fresh pattern paper. Then on the side, so the waist side, I'm going to add half an inch seam allowance. So can you guys see what I'm doing right here? And then you're going to use it to draw a new crotch curve. So can you guys see what I'm doing? So from there, it's going to be like half an inch more basically for the back. So the back is going to be a little bit wider than the front. So this is what I've done right here. Is connecting directly to the exact crotch you measured. You're not adding anything to the crotch side, so you're just curving it. So this is what our pattern looks like. Now we're going to cut it on our fabric on a fold. And then I'm going to cut out 2 pieces of each side. So you know it's reversible. Everything I'm going to be showing you guys in my swimsuit collection is going to be reversible. Now guys, a little tweak that I did. So I picked the front pattern right here, and then on the center I went down by half an inch and used it to create a curve to the side. So the side, you're not reducing it by half an inch, you're just using it to create a curve basically. So can you guys see what I'm doing? Just cut it out as a curve like that, and then I'm just going to open up my fabric just like this. Can you guys see what it looks like? Now guys, you're going to now place your fabric right sides facing each other, and you're going to sew it along the crotch using half an inch seam allowance. Remember we added half an inch when we measured it, so that half an inch is what you're using as your seam allowance. So I'm going to do it for both sides, and this is what it looks like afterwards. So can you guys see? Now guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to now place both sewn pieces right sides facing each other. So can you guys see what I've done right here? Place it right sides facing each other. And then what I'm going to do is we're going to sew the top using half an inch seam allowance. Then you're going to leave half an inch space. Remember it's 1.5 inch space. You're going to leave half an inch and continue using the remaining half an inch to sew all around the curve to half an inch from the other side. So you're going to basically have half an inch space on all 4 sides. So do you guys get what I mean? Half an inch on all 4 sides, but also leave a wide gap where you're going to turn your fabric inside out from. So can you guys see what I have right here? This wide gap is what I'm using to turn my fabric inside out. And then once I've turned it, I'm going to just make the half an inch holes more visible. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to use my scissors to like make it more visible basically. Go ahead, iron it flat, and then you're going to take your strap pieces. Now for the straps, I'm going to cut out 12 inches, 4 pieces. So one for each side basically. So cut out 12 inches of 4 pieces. And then what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to insert one piece in each side. So can you guys see what I'm doing right here? I'm just going to put it in and then use a pin to hold it down, then sew it. So I'm just going to do it for all the remaining 4 sides. Put a pin, sew it down.
Gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch.
And once I'm done, this is what it looks like. Guys, we're done basically. Now the one on the mannequin is the size of the mannequin. It has like a bigger bum than I do, so I created another one in that size and this one in my size so that you guys can see that it looks good anyway, any size. This is what it looks like. It is beautiful, it is amazing, I love it. I love how it turned out. It turned out really, 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 really nice. And I hope you guys love this. It is reversible as well. Like I always say, I love reversible things on this channel. I love making eco-friendly, sustainable fashion pieces. And I'm still going to be uploading more swimwear collection over the next couple of weeks. So you guys should, watch out for more amazing pieces from me. If you try this out, please, please, please tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I would love to showcase your work with all my growing followers and even here on YouTube. Also subscribe to the channel, please. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Also like this video, it helps YouTube know that I'm giving you amazing content on this channel. Comment in the comment section if you have questions, if you have amazing words to tell me. I would really appreciate it. And that's it guys for this video. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.